Hi, Sophia here. If you've been following my channel, you know that I take skincare very seriously, and I love anything that I can do at home to make my skin look more rejuvenated and to really help with the quality of my skin. So when Qure reached out to me with their rejuvenating facial system, I was very excited about the prospect of being able to do microneedling at home. I have seen the YouTube channel Dr. Lee with those two great dermatologists, Dr. Shaw and Dr. Maxfield. They have both reviewed this and gave it really good reviews. So I was thrilled to have the opportunity to review this and share it with you, my viewers. And so let's get started. This is what they sent me. In this kit, you receive a very nice little headband, soft terry cloth. And this little box is the cartridge. I'll show it to you in a minute. You get 5 additional cartridges and you get serums. The hydrating serum and you get the rejuvenating serum. 3 of each. And there's a lot in there. This is the little cartridge. At the tip of it, it has 24 karat needles. It's basically a 2-in-1 system that stamps your skin with 24 karat little tiny needles, and they are so thin it's thinner than your hair. It's 0.5 millimeters, so you barely feel it. I've seen it reviewed and I'm going to do it now and show it to you in a video clip how wonderfully easy it is to do it for yourself. It's done in 4 easy steps. The first one is you twist open the chamber of the device, fill it with 1 ampule of the serum, leave the device upside down for about 1 to 2 minutes, wash your face and start micro-infusing. Stamping your skin. You start at the center of your face and stamp, and then do a 50% overlay as you're going across, and go across, come across this way, and then go down your neck and your chest if you want. In the little box, you get this little cartridge and take off the top, and these are the little needles inside. And this is what comes in these little boxes. So you get 3 of the rejuvenating one. The rejuvenating serum has epidermal growth factor. I love this one, and it reduces the look of wrinkles and really brightens up dull skin. The other one is the hydro-soothing serum, and it has beta-glucan serum in it. And that one is fabulous just before an event. So when you do this procedure, I got a little bit of redness initially. I have very sensitive skin, and it really doesn't hurt. I just stamped my face all over, and then it already visibly looked so much better. It was plumper, it was smoother. My makeup went on gorgeous. I put it on just before we went out to dinner, and I figured I would try it about an hour before, depending on how my skin was going to react. I had no adverse reaction to it, and I absolutely loved the results. I could not believe how beautiful my skin looked and felt. It felt plumper, it felt firmer to the touch. Really impressive. And I have to say that the ability to do something at home, something first of all that's so expensive at the dermatologist's office, but that you can do safely at home with these hypoallergenic needles that are so clean because they're disposable. You use it, throw it away. There's no problem with reinfecting your skin with any reinfection. It creates trauma in your skin, which wakes up that layer of skin and tells you, let's start producing some collagen. At least that's how I see it. And the fact that they are going in past the skin barrier means that that serum is going deeply into your skin, which is so amazing because the top layer of your skin is the barrier. And when you can get past that and deliver the serum directly into your skin and then stimulate the collagen growth, to me that's a win-win. There is a safety mechanism on the head of this where it can't go any further. It has a barrier. So as you're stamping in, it stops where it needs to go. It won't go any further into your skin that would be dangerous or painful. Needless to say, I'm in love with this system. I highly recommend it. This box has 3 months worth supply in it. It's just amazing. And with these products, you do have to be consistent. It's not something that you do once and then you forget about it and then a month later you decide, oh, let me do it. I've decided every 2 weeks I'm doing it religiously. I've already done it 2 times. The first time was when I received it. And then I waited 2 weeks, and I'll show you the picture now of what my skin looked like after that treatment. I'm thrilled with it. I have an exclusive link for you with a discount. Be sure to click on that if you're interested in getting this for yourself. It's also an amazing gift. It's also great for Christmas time. But take a look at it, and if you want to have results and if you want to have a glowing, healthy, radiant complexion at home, do it in the comfort and ease of your home and safely, I think this program is something that you're going to really love. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and give me a follow, and I will see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye now.